Bogart 12 for Windows and Linux operating systems. Once you have purchased and downloaded Bogart 12 from your dealer, you will need an activation code once the software has been installed. In the Settings menu, Bogart 12 activates all earlier Bogart 5 through 11 versions upon activation. This gives users the ability to switch to earlier versions according to their level of experience with Bogart. A new feature in the Import menu, a Detailed selection, has been added under the Preview window. This enables a selectable area to be cut out of an image. This feature works great, especially with high-resolution UHD 4K footage. This is very useful. For example, if a camera shot needs to be tighter, you can easily crop the image as desired. Also, black edges of analog footage can also be removed directly during import with this unique function. This next new item in Bogart 12 is my favorite: lookup tables, also known as LUTs. They are located in both the Special and Image Processing Effect menus. Labeled as LUT Applied. Color grading is time-consuming. Using cameras that are able to record in the so-called V-Log flat format, the editing of every single scene is generally needed. LUTs make it easier to color grade and create filters. To create a cinematic-looking image with dramatic contrasts using a suitable LUT, this can be done in just a few clicks. In this new effect, the strength of the LUT can be altered via the transparency slider. Bogart 12 supplies 20 LUTs. Within the Select LUT function, you can also import LUTs from third-party companies. The next new feature, film scanner files in the 1440 by 1080 image format with a 4:3 aspect ratio, can now be imported into a 16:9 project without anamorphic distortion. New titling options in Bogart 12. The Bogart Titler, Vertigo Titler, and Title Studio include 30 new lower third templates. The templates are located in the Archives function in the Title program, marked as Pages, labeled B12-01 through B12-30. Bogart 12 added a new font called Standard. This new font produces very clear and professional-looking titles. New features in the Edit menu. Scene splitting by image content. In the Advanced Split menu, there is now an additional switch called Try to detect cuts in the video. The sensitivity can be adjusted from level 1 through 7. An image analysis is made, which tries to find hard cuts. This is useful for importing analog or pre-edited footage and footage from DVDs. New in the OPT menu, you can select Storyboard Scene to create a scene in the bin from any position in the storyboard. New effects in Bogart 12. Audio Crossfade. A new video transition effect enables soft audio fades in between hard cut edits. The length of this new audio transition is adjustable, just like all other transition effects. It works very well in smoothing the audio between two clips.
Really a community effort, how it was really a fit. Really a community effort, how it was really a fit. Help mentor our students. It's really a community effort, how it was really a fit within our values. help mentor our students. It's really a community effort.
How it was really a fit within our values.
A new feature for Casablanca 3 Linux systems. SD-XC memory cards with over 32 GB are now supported. In addition, the exFAT file system can now be read. New in the Bogart 12 audio recording edit menu, the current project name and project format are now displayed in the upper left corner. New in the AudioMix menu, a double left click on the selected Storyboard Plus scene will display its original audio in full width. This greatly enhances the orientation, handling of the AudioMix with active Storyboard Plus. It is now possible to jump directly to a selected effect by double-clicking on the red, green, blue bars in the Storyboard Plus timeline. The main menu now displays the name of the current hard drive, the project environment used, the project name, and the format in the upper right corner. Bogart 12 for Windows and Linux operating systems.
MacroSystem